Bayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, telas ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyagan ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisingil, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pagkaw, ay hinagang tulang awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isang lang matawad mo'y tagumpay na nagdinig, ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidinig. Luwan ang araw ng walhaging pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang inigaya na pagkay hangamin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is GTV DWDB TV Channel 27, a commercial TV station with 30,000 watt transmitting power, authorized under station number BSD-0072-2025 issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 9, 2028. GTV studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GTV transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiat, Tandang Sora, Quezon City. GTV Engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. GTV transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, Electronics Engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, Electronics Engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulang, Electronics Engineer number 47499. Jonathan G. Salvo, Electronics Engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, Electronics Engineer number 59014. Louis O. Siapenko, Electronics Engineer number 15586. Romeo S. Villena Jr., Electronics Engineer number 27179. Ralph T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., Professional Electronics Engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalekay, Electronics Engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, Electronics Engineer number 41636. Christian C. Cordovez, Electronics Engineer number 46636. Jefferson V. Dahilog, Electronics Engineer number 24515. Robert D. Santos, Electronics Engineer number 27671. Mamerto D. Logroño Jr., Electronics Engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., Electronics Engineer number 19182. Cecilio III R. Sanchez, Electronics Engineer number 76884. RVP Cariaga, Electronics Technician number 603. Ronald Christian T. Portugal, Electronics Technician number 26852. Danilo A. Mapula Jr., Electronics Technician number 28778. Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1PNCR-15029. Arnel V. Arecheta, 93-1PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1PHN-26421. Manuel B. Relion, 99-1PNCR-21589. Junie D. Sioson, 95-1PVI-12771. Lucas B. Caminade, 95-1PXI-12654. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, seen via satellite in 27 stations nationwide. Luzon, GTV 27 Manila, TV 27 Ilocos Norte, TV 27 Tuguegarao, TV 26 Apari, TV 22 Benguet, TV 26 Olongapo, TV 26 Batangas, TV 26 Occidental Mindoro, TV 27 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV 27 Masbate, TV 28 Naga, TV 27 Legazpi, Visayas, TV 27 Calibo, TV 27 Rojas, TV 28 Iloilo, TV 27 Cebu, TV 28 Dumaguete, TV 26 Tacloban, Mindanao, TV 26 Dipolog, TV 22 Ozamis, TV 26 Pagadian, TV 27 Surigao, TV 27 Davao, TV 26 General Santos, TV 21 Zamboanga, TV 27 Cotabato, TV 26 Jolo. This is GTV. Now signing on.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Tapat sa balita, yan ang aming anata. Easy Double B, Super Radio 594. Laging naka-alerto, serbisyo, totoo. Easy Double B, kapuso nyo sa radyo. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan. Serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan. May paninindigan, matatag, maaasahan. Easy Double B, Super Radio 594. Kapusong Pilipino, lahat Super Radio. Easy Double B, serbisyong totoo. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan. Serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan. Walang kinikilingan, walang pinoprotektahan. Serbisyong totoo lamang, walang iwanan. Easy Double B, Super Radio.